Hi guys, in this video Miranda's going to talk about the cervix and insemination.
Alright guys, so in our first video we talked anatomically where the vagina, the cervix, and the uterine body is located. But these are actually major sites of semen deposition, so I was going to discuss those with you today and talk about the different species and where semen is deposited, and also talk about natural insemination versus artificial insemination across the species. So starting with the vagina, in species such as the cow and the horse and the sheep, it is deposited in the vagina when they are naturally mating. This is because their penis is too big to go any further than the vagina. In cows and sheep, their cervix is made up of what is called annular rings, and so that prevents the penis from going any further. But when we use an AI gun, which I'll show you guys a picture of later, this can actually go through those annular rings in the cervix all the way to the uterine body and deposit semen. So in cows, during artificial insemination, semen is deposited in the uterine body, and in cows during natural insemination, it is deposited in the vagina. Some other pictures I'm going to show you is laparoscopically AIing sheep, LAI. And this is a new method where we actually inject semen right into the ovaries to increase our chances of pregnancy even further. So again, naturally, when they naturally mate, their semen is deposited in the ewe's vagina, but during laparoscopic AI, semen can be deposited in the ovary. Going to our friends, the pigs, they are a little bit different, and it is because the structure of their cervix is different than cows and sheep. Their structure of their cervix is made up of intervegetating pads. So they kind of go like this, and the boar's penis has developed to where it has a corkscrew penis to adapt to the pig's cervix. So it actually screws in there, and it deposits semen in the cervix. So naturally, semen is deposited in the cervix. For artificial insemination of swine, we have traditional AI rods. There's a couple different ones. And these AI rods also deposit semen in the cervix. So during traditional AI in swine, semen is deposited in the cervix, and natural semen deposition from natural mating is also in the cervix. There is a new method in swine though called PCAI, post-cervical artificial insemination, and we have a new and different rod for that as well. We're copying our friends the cows and depositing semen in the uterine body with this special rod. And I will demonstrate that for you right now. So we'll go into her vulva. Also, when you're doing this, you'll use lube. Try to get it in there. And then we'll insert this rod. It's a lot harder on all the way to the uterine body, and that's where we'll deposit semen, and we'll attach a semen tube at the end here. And this is just a little demonstration of how we'll PCAI swine. So in PCAI swine, semen is deposited in the uterine body, whereas traditional AI in swine, it's deposited in the cervix, and natural semen deposition from natural mating is also in the cervix.